Today we are going to do this first lesson from your book, A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot, from your book Footprints Without Feet. So here we will go in detail about the things, or we can say beyond the words, beyond the lines, the things which are hidden there and questions which are asked. So the first question you will find, it would be about Tricky, how he looked like. So it is given, he was looking like a bloated sausage. So sausage is a kind of non-veg thing, round in shape, and it is portrayed as Tricky was just like a bloated, means blown like a balloon, round in shape, having 4 legs, because Tricky was fatty, and he was so fatty that it was not in position of moving around freely. So that was the case that you see physically. Then second, with rheumy eyes. So spelling is RHUMY. So rheumy eyes, you must say a person having some discharge in the eyes, that is rheumy eyes. So be particular about this description. And because he was an experienced veterinary doctor, he came to know that this dog is in problem, and he told Mrs. Pumphrey also that it needs attention. Attention in the sense it required exercise, it required diet cutting. So that is the first impression about the Tricky, and a small question can come, how Tricky looked like. Then second question, it can be how he was treated by a doctor. He was not given any medicine, he was not given any therapy, he was not given any extra attention. So this dog Tricky, who was dog of a rich lady, had everything at his disposal. But in the surgery where he went to be hospitalized there, he was put with other dogs, and he was struggling there for food. He was not getting food, proper food, only water he was getting. So it was the case of survival for the dog. But because of playing with other dogs, initially it was not possible for him. But later on, with other dogs, he started playing, and he started hunting also, particularly rats which were there. So it was a kind of pleasure that he was getting by being with other dogs. And within 15 days, the time that was taken by the doctor for healing, it was quite better than the previous condition. So that was the kind of treatment that was given by the doctor, you can say. No medicines, only dog was given, a little bit freedom to move around with other dogs. And then there is another kind of question, the lavish treatment of dog by Mrs. Pumphrey. That also you can write. That is a big question that comes in exam. So you can say dog was having different bowls for breakfast, lunch and dinner. He was having different beds in the morning, in the evening, in the night. He was having cushion, and dog was provided with different coats for winter, summers and other season. So dog was provided with chocolates, malt, whiskey, supplement of vitamins and minerals, and dog was living a life that even doctor felt jealous of. When Mrs. Pumphrey sent so many things for Tricky, they had a very good lunch, ceremonial lunch, the doctor narrated. And see, that is the case of a dog. So that also you can narrate, you can write for a long question. The kind of privileges the dog was having that was beyond the reach of even doctor. And that was a routine kind of thing for the dog. Then you can compare and contrast the condition of dog with the condition of people. That how poor people are struggling for the basic necessities every day, and how rich people they are wasting money on dogs and cats, on their pets, and how lavishly they are living their lifestyles. So that also you can write. So you have the question about dog, then you have the question about Mrs. Pumphrey, who loved her dog so dearly that it was beyond her capacity to keep the dog under control. As far as the food and nutrition is concerned, he could not restrict the diet of dog. He could not think that dog should be without food. But sometimes there can be a question about over pampering. And you must know, this is not the story of dog only, it is the story of over pampering of children that we see nowadays, like Tricky. And that makes these children inactive like Tricky. They would only have one achievement, that they can eat away everything. That was the achievement of Tricky, and that is the achievement of these children. Those who are over pampered, they can finish off everything in eating. Other works they are not unable to do, because there is a lot of spoon feeding that you see nowadays, and that is generally there in upper middle class, or you can say the rich class, where money is in abundance. They can spare a lot of money on children. So that is told to you indirectly, told to the readers indirectly, because many bitter things are told in a very soft and gentle manner, and they are put into the ears of intelligent peoples indirectly. So that also you can write, how rich people are wasting their money, and how poor people that you had seen in the first lesson of first flight, how Lancho was suffering because of his poverty. The lesson that you had done, a letter to God. So these are the things which are told to you in a humorous way, but you can write in your answers that it is the stark reality of rich people and poor people, those who are suffering. Poor people, they are not having anything, and rich people, they are having everything at their disposal without any struggle. So write these questions in your notebook and share on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.